our learning target again. That word that Ronnie is trying to read is called equal. Can anybody tell me what equal means? Do you remember? What does equal mean? Let's go. Ariel. What does equal mean? This word. Need help? Judah, what does equal mean?
Equal means that you're adding.
I don't think it means you're adding. And I'll be. Same numbers together. I think you're talking about the same as. Equal means the same as. So, for example, is this the same as this?
Yes.
So these two are equal. Is this the same as this?
No.
Is this the same as this?
No.
Is this the same as this?
Yes.
That's, then they're equal. This is not equal, this is not equal, but this is equal. Okay? It's the same thing on both sides. So, with that, we're going to still be doing balancing equations. So, as we did before, we were doing it with two numbers, so it would be like 152 plus 117 equals 30 plus blank. Just an example, right? Now, we're going to be working with three numbers on one side. So instead of two numbers on one side, it's three. You'll see it right now. So let's move on to the first question. So I'm going to model this for you guys. So where am I going to start? Let's see. I'm going to start on the left side. I can start on the right side? No, I can't. Okay, I'll start on the left side. I don't have that information, so I can't start on that side. I have all the information on this side. So 24 minus 9. 24 minus 9. Let's see, there's more than 4, so I go next door. 10 more. 14. 14 minus 9, I think that's 5. And then 1, there's nothing there, so I bring down the 1. So it's 15. So I know that 24 minus 9 is 15. So then this whole thing must also equal 15. Bring down my equal sign. 15 is the same as 15. Dominic, eyes up here. 15 is the same as 15. Okay. So I still can't work with this blank. So I'm going to use these two numbers. Saying 52 minus 17. So we'll do that right now. 52 minus 17. There's no on the floor in the ones place. So I'm going to go to my neighbor. Take 10 more. 2 numbers 4. And then this becomes 12. So 12 minus 7. That's also 5. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. So then 52 minus 17 equals 35. But I still need that missing number. Okay, so I know I have to go to 15. And I'm at 35. So I'm going to do 35 minus my blank space. I don't know what that number is. That would equal to 15. Okay. That can't help me. Because I don't know what that number is. So maybe if I do this, let me actually erase this out because it gets confusing. I should be up here. I'm going to rewrite it. 35 minus 15. Okay, so 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. I got 20. But I don't know if that's correct. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to check my work. Let's plug this in here. 20. 5 take away nothing is still 5. Okay, that's correct. 3 take away 2 is 1. And I still got 15. So 20 is our missing number. Does anybody agree with that? Thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs down if you don't agree. Okay, so a lot of people agree. Okay. Well, let's continue with another one. Let me read my equation. So I got 56 minus 20 equals, this is important, 18 plus 12 plus some missing number. Where am I going to start first? 18 plus 12, I can't do that. So I'm going to do 56 minus 20 because I have all the information. My equal sign. So let's do 56 minus 20. Let's see. 6 minus, oh, you're thinking 6? Thank you for helping. So my 56 minus 20 would give me 36. Okay. I'll bring down my equal sign because I know that now I have to find 36 on this side. So this whole thing has to equal 36. Okay, now I'm going up. I'm going up because I'm using my addition symbols. And addition means we have to get bigger numbers. We're going up. So let me do 18 plus 12 because those are the only two numbers I have. So 8 plus 2, oh, sorry. 8 plus 2 is... 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. So I put my 0, I have to add my 1 because 10. Okay. So we know 18 plus 12 is 30. But I still have my missing number. I have to get to 36. So 30 to 36. How am I going to get there? Well, I think I can just count up. I think I can just count up. So I'm 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. How many numbers is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so then 30 plus 6 equals 36. Is that correct though? Let me add them a different way and see. Let's do 12 plus 6. What is 12 plus 6? 12 plus 6. That would equal 8. And then we bring out the 1, that's 18. And then I still have my other 18. So 18 plus 18. Let me erase something so I can do my math. Right now I'm checking my work. So 18 plus 18. 8 plus 8 is... 16. Okay, but I still have my 1, so I'll bring it over. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 2. And that's 36, so it's correct. Awesome. Thank you, guys. Okay. So, I did practice. Oh, let's put this in wrong order. Okay, we'll do this. All right. So, together, what's the first thing I'm going to do? In fact, let me read the equation first. 8 plus 10 plus 12 equals, this is important, blank plus 20. Now, what am I going to do first? Which side am I going to start on first? With this equal sign. Am I going to go this way or am I going to go that way? Ideally, what do you think? This way? Left? Okay. Who agrees? Okay. I don't see eyes on table 4. So, my class is saying we're going to go this way. All right. So, what should I add first? 10 plus 12? I think so. No? What do you want to add first? Does it matter? 8 plus 10? Okay. Let's do 8 plus 10. I don't think it matters. 8 plus 10. What's 8 plus 10? 18. Okay, so that's 18. I'll bring down my 12 just so I don't get confused. So 18 plus 12, let's see. 18 plus 12. 8 plus 2 is, we said that's 10. Add, bring down my 1. 30. So 18 plus 12 is 30. So really what I'm saying is, this whole equation will get me 30. That's the number. Now that's the number we need to find on this side, right? Okay. So now, I can forget about this side of the equation. I finished this side. I found my 30 on this side. Now I gotta find this missing number on this side. How am I gonna use 20 and a missing number to get to 30? Well, it's telling me to add, and I know that 20 is less than 30, so I need to go up. Okay, so 20 plus what will give me 30? I don't know. Come on, help me out here. Yeah, what do you think? You think it's 10? I'm not sure. Let me check. 20 plus 10. My 10 looks like a 6. I apologize. So 0 plus 0 is going to be 0. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. So it's 30. So did Nat said that this number right here is 10. You sure it's not this? Are you sure I can't just put my 30 here?
No.
It's right there.
No.
Why can't I put my 30 here? Like that? Oh, you need to use the bathroom. Jacob, why can't I put my 30 here? I thought we were trying to find 30.
Because we don't put it here because that's not the missing number. That's what we have to find the equal.
Oh my God. That makes so much sense to me. That's not the missing number. That's what we have to find. Shirley, you want to add on? Add on. What does 20 and 30 give you? 50. And 50 is not the same as 30, right? Is 50 the same as 30? No. So we know that this is 10. Because 10 plus 20 gives us the number we're trying to find. Good job explaining. Little piece of money passes by. All right, let's go on to the next one. All right, so now I need more help for this one. I want to do less work. I'm losing my voice. So where are we going to start? Dominic, where are we going to start? 20 plus 13 plus 7. Okay. We'll start on this side then. So here's my equal sign, my right, my left. I'm going to go left. Okay? So what numbers am I going to add first? You know what? What numbers am I going to add first? Start with left.
20 and 13.
Okay. We can do 20 and 13. So 20 plus 13. What will I give you? 0 plus 3 is
13.
3. 2 plus 1 is 33. Okay. And I still have my 7, so I use this. 33 plus 7. What is that?
40.
40. Right. So 33 plus 7 gives me 40. So now I used all of my numbers, so this whole thing equals 40. Okay. So now that I have my 40, my total, I'm going to put my equal sign. What am I going to put right there? What number am I trying to find over here?
Set up.
40. Try to get to 40. Right? These both sides have to be 40. 40 is the same as 40. So now I look at my second part of the equation. I forget about this part. I did this part already. I'm good. Right? 49 minus what number will get me to 40? So now my minus is telling me I'm going down. I gotta have a lesser number than 49. It has to be less than 40. What are we thinking? Furamasa, what are we thinking? 49 minus what give me 40? Come on, any hands? Lucas, what do you think? Look, we're trying to get to 40, right? That's what we're trying to get to. 49 minus what number will get you there?
Nine.
You think it's 9?
No.
No? Okay, who disagrees? Dominic, what do you think it is? You said adding? This is a subtraction symbol. We're subtracting. Shirley, what do you think it is? 9? So you agree with Lucas? Let's test it. 49 minus 9. Okay? 9 minus 9 is what? 0. So put a 0. 4. You gotta bring it down. Is that the number we're trying to find? Yes. So is 9 the missing number? Yes. Oh my God. Give yourself some pat on the back. You guys help Lucas and Lucas help Lucas. So here we So 49 minus 9 equals 40. Is 40 equal to 40 now?
Yes.
Is 40 equal to 40? Yes. Hold on, okay. Why can't I put this here? Why can't I put 40 here? About me? Why can't I put 40 here? Where do you want to try? Water? Can't get water though. Just get water. Judah. Why can't I put 40 there?
Because you're subtracting, not adding.
Not quite, but I like the thought process. 49 minus 40. Would that give me 40?
No, it will give you 0.
I think it'd give me 0, but I know it would give me 40. Because how am I going to have 40 if I'm taking away 40? That doesn't make sense. Oh, really? Yeah.
It gives you 9.
It has to be 9, right? Right.
He said it'll give you 9.
It'll give me 9. Okay. It will give me 9. This will give me 9. But I'm not trying to find 9. I'm not trying to get to 9. I'm trying to get to 40. So what we did is that we took 9 away and got to
Don't
40.
ask that.
You see how either way you do it, 49 minus 40, 49 minus 9, the 40 and the 9 are still present. They're still there. If I take away 9, I'll get 40. If I take away 40, I'll get 9. It just depends on what you're trying to find. So if you're trying to find 40, what are you going to subtract? Jeanette, what's you thinking? If you're trying to find 40, what are you going to subtract? 9. Let me not spend too much time on this. Hey, read the equation. While I'm reading it, you can write it down. 57 minus 22 equals, this is important, this is important, 17 plus 6 plus a missing number.
Junior.
I think my first step would be to figure out if I'm going to go left or am I going to start right. Oh. that math. I know you can. Okay, I see you then do right vertically. Right?
Yeah.
What's the bigger number? That goes on top, right?
Okay. So now. So 57 minus 22. Okay, that's the side you start with. So now go ahead, do your subtraction. You get it? Can I see? Can I check it? Did you check it? You have nothing there. I don't know what it is.
Don't worry, we'll go through it. So, walk me through this. What am I doing first? Who did what steps first? Jeanette, what am I doing first? Okay, Jeanette is saying I have to take away 22 from 57. I think that's correct. But why am I starting there? Okay, yeah, that's a pretty good reason. If I start on this side, I can't finish it because I don't know what that number is. Okay, pretty good reason. So let's do 57 minus 22. 57 minus 22, what is that?
So 17 plus 6 is 23. We need to get from 23 to what number?
35.
Okay, so look. It's like saying this.
Thank you, Valerie. Okay. So now I know that these two numbers make 35. So this whole thing is 35. So that means I have to find 35 on this side. Okay. What am I going to do next?
What's another way that I can do this?
Settle that. Okay.
23 plus something is 35. What is it if I wanted to flip these numbers around and subtract? Which number would go first?
This game more sound on the stomach sort of.
We have 35 on this side. What am I going to do next? What numbers am I going to add on this side? Kurumasa? This side, what am I going to do? Jasmine, what do you think I'm going to do?
Plus what is 5?
Plus 17.
Okay.
Or you could put 17 plus 6.
Yeah, either way I'm going to get
3
the
plus
number added.
3
It
plus
doesn't matter
5 is
where you do
8.
it.
3 plus what?
I'm going to do
3
17 plus 6 because those are the only two
plus
numbers I
how
have.
many more is 5?
17 plus 6. What does that give me? Ronnie, what is 17 plus 6?
3 plus how many is 5?
23. Albanese, you agree? 17 plus 6 gives me 23?
Here's 5.
Okay.
Here's 1, 2,
So that gives me
3.
23.
3 plus how many
So I
is
know
5?
that 17 plus 6 is 23.
2 plus what is 3?
Okay. But I still have to get that missing number. So 23 plus what missing number
2 plus 3 is
is going to get
5.
me to 35?
2 plus how many is 3?
I'll give you guys time to
I
think.
have.
Dad, do you think you know it?
Take away. Is it 12? Can you see?
You need help, bro? Dominic, what do you think? You know what the missing number is? Tell me. 29? Dominic's saying that this missing number right here is 29. 29. Okay, so let me check that work. 29 plus 23. 9 plus 3. 12, right? 12. Okay, I bring over my 1. 1 plus 2 is, okay, it's 5.
It's 52.
52 is not equal to 35. No. I know that's a fact. So it can't be 29. It has to be less than that. Jacob, you think you got it?
Yeah.
Tell me your missing number.
I got 11.
11? Okay. So 23 plus 11. 3 plus 1 is? About 8? Hold on. 3 plus 1 is?
It's
4.
5.
2 plus 1 is 3. 34, you're 1 away. You said 11. Abelian said 12. How do you get to 12 from 11? 11 plus
1.
1. So all we gotta do is add 1 here. And you get 35. Yeah. Yeah.
Tell me 33. I got 20.
Let's do it this way. So, Abelian, what did you say? 12. 3 plus 2. What does that give us? Judah, what's 2 plus 1?
3.
Still hurts?
3. So, 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. It's 35. That's the number we're going to find. So this missing number right here is my 12. Yeah. No? Let's check it. 6 plus 12. Actually 12 plus 6. What is that? 2 plus 6. Yeah, you have right there. 8. Okay. Bring down our 1. So that's 18. So 18 plus 17. Let's do it up here. 18 plus 17. 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay. Bring over my 1. What's that? 1 plus 1 is 2. That's 35. So 12 is correct. You don't gotta copy all of it though. Plus 14. You guys can try copying this while I'm writing it. 32 plus 14 plus 18 equals 50 plus blank.
So are we starting with 32 plus 14 plus 18 or 50 plus blank?
32 plus 14 plus 18.
Very good. Add your 3 add-ins.
So we have our 3 add-ins, let's add them up.
Yes.
Okay, somebody give me a missing number. Or some steps on how we solve this. All right, we're back up here. So, Give me a missing number or some steps. Abelian.
32 plus that.
Yeah, read. Come on. Walk up a little bit. 32 plus. Okay, stop.
14.
14
Plus.
plus 18.
Okay.
Equals.
So let's do, what do we do first? Let's do the math.
64.
Oh, okay. So this whole thing, Abelian is saying, equals 64. Okay. I did that with that. 14 plus 18, I know that's 32. 32 plus 32. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 6. 64. You're right. Okay. So you got 64 on this side. I'm going to break down my equal sign. Now I have to get 64 on this side.
0 plus 0.
Ronnie, you're looking confused. What happened? How did I get 64? So, okay, if you think it's 64,
Wait, are you trying to
50 plus 1 will get me 64. What in this game we're doing the last problem to switch around this 50 plus? What do we do? Back.
50 plus. Yeah, that's an 8.
Let's write it this way. So this is
Correct.
50 plus box gives me
The way he said plus.
64. How can I switch this around? Elliot?
Switch it around to subtraction. Look. What will go first? And 50 plus box is 64. So flip it around to subtraction. What would you?
How did this game switch this around? Or
The missing number is
Say that?
40.
Oh, he's still doing the addition.
okay.
Could somebody please switch around my, well, not mine, the equation, 50 plus something equals 64 to a subtraction equation. Go ahead.
64 take away 50.
Excellent.
64 take away 50. You get down with that, okay. 64 take away 50, okay. So let's do the math.
I know the equation. I know the answer.
6 minus 5.
This is
1. Remember that. 14. Okay, so we're saying that the missing number is 14. Okay? But I gotta check it now. Let's plug that 14 in. 0 plus 4 is 4, okay? 5 plus 4 is 6. It's 14. Exit ticket?
Ooh, yeah.
What?
You're doing this by yourself.
And do not look at other people's answers.
Notebooks closed. Once you get your index card, write your name and the date. Here's an exit ticket.